Kathy, could you just tell me quickly about Spirit's coming here, where you found her, and how you brought her here?
She came here, I think in 2006. She was living in a tennis court in Walsenburg with a Malamute. She's supposedly 50% white German Shepherd, 50% Arctic Wolf, who knows. And he got arrested for domestic abuse and drug possession, ended up in jail, and she needed a home, didn't you, baby girl? Yeah. And she originally, he ended up in jail. Malamute found a home, all the puppies were rescued out, but the Walsenburg who wanted her to come live with us. And at first there was no room, and then Mowgli got kicked out of his pack, and she came to live with Mowgli. Me and Heather Higgins and Stacy are the ones that helped pull her out. Me and Heather particularly went and got her. And she came up here and instantly made friends with Mr. Mowgli, didn't you? Yes, and now Sangre. Yeah, he's okay though, she said. He's not Mowgli, he's not a wolf.
Hi, pretty girl. What'd you think? And she's very shy too, huh?
Oh, very shy. I've never been this close to her.
So this is not an animal that would make a good pet in a home?
Oh no, she's very skittish. She will definitely, if she doesn't trust you, she gets fearful. No, she would not make a good pet. She was living in the tennis court. When she'd get loose, she was chasing the neighbors' cats and dogs, and yeah, it wasn't a good situation. The poor gentleman who owned the hotel, he was a German immigrant, and I don't know who was more afraid of who. He was so afraid of her that he wouldn't even feed her.
Oh.
So she wasn't getting fed, so a neighbor was feeding her.
Do you think that she would ever bite anybody out of fear?
She's never shown any aggression towards people. That, according to her owner, he said that she's never bit, and she's never bitten me. And I've handled her all over. I can lean over her. Yes. Yeah. She gets skittish. Come on. Can you come over here? Yeah. And you can hug her, hold her. I can restrain her by holding on to her in any place, and she just freezes, which is really good. Not saying that she wouldn't bite if put in a bad, scary situation, but once she trusts somebody, she's pretty trusting.
Do you think that when she was running loose in the town that she ever killed a cat or a dog? Do you think
she probably did? I would say almost definite. She had to in order to survive, unfortunately. And I would not trust her around small cats, dogs, even around small children. She's very jumpy. When you bring kids on the tour, we don't bring them up here just because she gets very wolfy about that. She has some very wolfy parts of her. Normally, when she comes up, she says hi to me in the morning, she greets me, we hang out, and then she goes and lays down, and it's Sangre's time.
With her right now, and she just seems so sweet, and like she could live in the house, but this is an animal that looks are deceiving.
Yeah.
That she's very much very shy, very afraid, and ended up homeless for a while. Ended up even living in a tennis court for a while. I mean, that's amazing to me that that woman even allowed her to be in that tennis court.
I don't think she had the goal to set her free.
Yeah. Well, that's true, because she probably recognized the potential problem.
She's very good on the lead, and she'll follow you anywhere you go.
Cute, huh? She's pretty cute. She's a pretty cute girl for Sangre.
Yeah. Come on.
He likes her.
Yes.
He likes her.
You gonna come say hi?
Hey, baby.
Come say hi.
Hi, sweets.
Yeah.
You gonna come see me? What a good girl. What a good girl. See, she's even nervous to see.
It works a lot better if you come sit down on this log.
Yep, okay.
Or on the rock.
Just down low?
A lot more comfortable.
Down low?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll come sit over here on the ground.
Yes, this is where we all sat in like a semicircle yesterday to see Spirit.
Hey, sweet girl.
Yes.
What? What's
Yes, who's a good girl? Yes, I know. He's a good girl. And you can feel the lump. It's a big lump right here.
So what? How old do you think she is?
I'd say she's eight now.
Okay.
She was supposedly 4 to 6 when we got her. I don't have the lead on very tight because it sometimes goes right on her lump.
And it causes her discomfort.
And when it pulls up, it pulls against the lump. So she might be one that might be better off
with a caul, maybe, I don't know, we want to put something here on her, ideally, up closer to her chin.
So that it doesn't touch that area?
Yeah, because the lump, I just don't want to aggravate it, because like any mole or anything.
So let's talk for just a minute about how stressful it is for older animals to be tranquilized and have to go to the vet to have something removed. And I know that a vet looked at her when that lump was smaller, and it was benign, kind of like a what they call like a lipoma or a fatty tumor.
Fatty growth.
So it's not something that is going to cause her, unless it changes drastically and changes into a malignant type of cancer. But for us to take Spirit and tranquilize her, take her to the vet, is very traumatic, more so than people recognize. People that get this kind of animal think, oh yeah, we can just do the vet care, and sure, when they're puppies, vet care can be easy, but when they get older, vet care can almost kill them sometimes.
Yeah. With Daisy, for instance, Daisy, right now, she's glaucoma in one eye, and the vet tech who's down said that if we would to go in and do surgery to remove that eye, number one, it wouldn't really do much good, but number two, the surgery could even kill her.
Yeah, yeah. So that's something that a lot of people, I don't think, recognize how devastating taking an animal like this is to the vet, because of their flighty, skittish nature.
I'm hoping to get more social with her, where we can get to the point that we can calmly walk her around and get her where she's getting more and more social around people. Maybe now that she's older, she'll be more
easier
social.
To look at too.
Easier. She had 5 people sitting in a circle yesterday touching her.
Great. That's
didn't
great.
you? And you were nervous, but you did very good, didn't you, baby girl? Yeah.
Also, too, we're very fortunate too. When we're desperate, our vet will come out and look at her on site, and that helps a lot.
Get that foot going. Where's the foot? Where's it go? It's right here. There it is. There's the spot. There's a spot right there. She gets her foot going. She also has another fatty lump right here.
Okay.
Yeah, I just found that. It's more of a, it's not like this one, which is a solid lump. This is more of just like a deposit of fat.